Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to view private Instagram profiles instantly. So let's get into it. First, send a follow request. If the user has their profile set to private, they will have to approve your request before you can see any of their content. This option is best if you know the person and can directly send them a request. Even if they don't know you, you may still have a decent chance of getting accepted if your profile looks genuine. Another way to view private profiles is by using an Instagram viewer tool. These tools are designed to bypass the privacy settings on private accounts and allow you to see the content within them. To begin, open any web browser and type in igmods.com. Click on View Private Account. Just wait for it to load. It's gonna ask you for the username of the account that you wanna see. So we're just gonna enter the username. Then press the button that says Connect. It says Confirm Selected Account. So just press Confirm Account. Just wait for this to load. As you can see, it says Private Data Successfully Unlocked. There you have it. Now you know how to view private Instagram profiles instantly. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.